Welcome to our complete unboxing and showcase of BUBLUE's Gen 2 800p fast cleaning pool robotic cleaner. Now, if you're tired of tangled hoses and big heavy pool vacuums that run out of battery halfway through their cycle, this is the answer. You're going to love this machine. Let's take a close look at everything that comes with it and all that you need to know to see if this is a good pool cleaner for you. Now watch all the way to the end for a graph that gives you a screenshot that you can have all the facts in one place and decide if this is a pool cleaner for you. Let's dive in.
We're diving into the ultimate hands-off solution for your crystal clear pool. This is the quick start guide for the BUBLUE BUBOT 800 Gen 2 robotic pool cleaner. The quick start guide and the complete instruction manual will tell you everything you need to know. Now here's the big machine, and it comes with a lot of great details that we will dive into. Now it is great for pools up to 1,076 square feet. It's never been faster, smarter, and more efficient. We're going to look at exactly how this smart machine can clean your pool for you. The complete transformation with all of these pieces. So you have the big machine, you have the quick start guide, we have the power box, and we have little tools to keep it hanging near the edge if that's what you need to do in your pool. Now, lifting the lid off this packaging, everything is beautifully secure. This is a big, massive beast of a machine. It's organized in a seamless setup. Right on top, you'll find this comprehensive user guide will tell you about all these parts. You've got these big inlet spots here for the debris and big 4 wheels and big Caterpillar tracks. It is constructed with premium UV resistant housing built to last outdoors. Also included in the box is this 28-volt power supply control module alongside the heavy duty 49.21 foot power cable engineered with advanced tangle swivel technology. In addition to the big jets on top, it should give you a great clean. The card management system allows the machine to spin and turn and completely and freely throughout. Now this is your double filter baskets. This is the only pool cleaner I know of that has 2 filter baskets. Now they are double filtered, and each one has an opening at the bottom for easy cleanup and a handle, so you don't have to touch the debris. You can just simply lift it out and shake it out and then give it a quick rinse with your hose and put it back in. You can rinse one or both at the same time, but it does give you double the coverage. The main robot weighs 22.7 pounds and it measures 19.6 by 18.3 inches, giving it a wide, stable footprint on the pool floor. The outer shell features a rugged, integrated, big handle. As you see here, I can lift it with one hand, and it will nose around for effortless retrieval from the water with this big handle. The 28-volt power box is highly compact. You can see here it measures 8.7 by 8.5 inches and is designed with splash-proof water protection so it can sit safely on your pool deck. Now you can see it will offer options for wall, floor, and timing. Very easily to maneuver. You can also work it on the app like a remote control car. It's really a great pool cleaner. I think you'll really like this. Looking inside the cleaner, you can see those lifting filtration baskets will give you a big maximum clean. Those baskets have an ultra-fine 180 micrometer filter density matrix that's designed to capture everything from large leaves down to microscopic silt and sand, and this long cord will help you reach every corner of your pool. Setting up the power box is incredibly straightforward and brings massive benefits to the table. You simply plug it in and you're protected with a grounded fault, and you connect the floating cable to the power box and to the pool cleaner itself. Clean, clear, intuitive control panel lets you manage and toggle between the 2, 3, or 4 hour cleaning cycles with a single button press. The major benefit here is a continuous 28-volt power delivery. This means the robot operates with absolutely peak suction from the first minute to the very last. It completely eliminates the frustrating runtime limitations of traditional pool cleaners that fade with power and have to have multi-hour recharge delays found in those battery-powered models. The great thing about having a corded pool cleaner is it never stops, and you can continually schedule it without having to take it in and out of the pool. Now, looking under the hood of this mechanical engineering on the Gen 2 is top tier. It's powered by a high-efficiency 150-watt triple-axis motor utilizing proprietary blue hole suction technology, this architecture generates a massive flow through the dual suction ports. It provides bi-directional debris collection, allowing the robot to vacuum up leaves, dirt, sand instantly and moving forward or backward. That ability drastically reduces cleaning time. And when you drop the machine in the water, you see its advanced technology take over. It begins operating immediately. The unit moves with remarkable precision thanks to its Blue Sonic path navigation AI, and rather than bouncing aimlessly off the walls like basic pool sweeps, it systematically cleans your pool, and it programs a layout and executes a perfect tight S or in-shape grid across the floor. Now, it systematically covers the entire surface at swift moving speed, up to 39 feet per minute, without missing a single spot. It's fun to watch because it's just so organized and precision-based. I love watching it clean my pool. Now, as the robot approaches the vertical structures of the pool, the heavy-duty tank tracks engage the surface flawlessly. It drives straight up the walls with incredible traction because of those big wheels and the big caterpillar traction. It completely defies gravity. Once it reaches the top, the 4 independent active roller brushes go to work. They aggressively scrub away the film that gathers at the top of the pool, as you see here. I love watching it do that. It's really a lot of fun. And it attacks algae and the waterline grime where grease typically accumulates. Now, it transitions beautifully into shallow lounge areas and handles deep steps smoothly without ever losing its vacuum seal. I have a curved pool with a lot of sloping areas and stairs that are on a rounded pool edge, so it's usually a struggle for most pool cleaners, but this pool cleaner has handled it very well. It creates a vacuum seal that allows it to stay on any type of surface. It does work with all types of pools, and because of that AI ability, it has great obstacle avoidance. Now, when the cycle finishes, cleanup is an absolute breeze. A simple top-loading latch pops open and you reveal those massive dual filter baskets. Having a total of 6 liters of debris capacity means fewer interruptions during heavy spring cleanups. You simply pull the basket straight out without having to touch the grime, and you rinse them with a standard garden hose before dropping them back in the chassis. Now, the software integration takes user convenience even further. You can connect with the mobile app over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and unlocks a full remote control capability, and you can run it from your smart room like a remote control car. It's super fun. You can easily program weekly schedules so the pool cleans itself before you even wake up. You can select from specialized paths, and you even have a highly responsive remote control car mode, which acts like your own personal pool staff, and it allows you to manually drive the robot directly to a specific spot for an instant touch-up. And if leaves drop in right before your guests arrive, you can attack that one spot. Now, ultimately, the BlueBot 800P Gen 2 provides a premium, entirely stress-free way to maintain your swimming pool. It combines reliable corded power, intelligent navigation, aggressive active scrubbing brushes, and effortless app control, and that ensures that your water stays perfectly safe and clear, inviting all season long. You'll be able to enjoy your pool. It's just really a great pool cleaner. It's an exceptional investment that gives you your weekends back so that you can relax and actually enjoy your pool. Now, we hope that you've enjoyed this really in-depth look at this great pool cleaner. It was provided for our honest opinion, and as pool gurus that we are, we love to give overviews about good pool cleaners, and this is one of the best that I have seen. I love this corded pool cleaner. It is a great corded pool cleaner. Now, some people just really love a corded pool cleaner, and this is one that I would highly recommend. It has all the great benefits of the cord and the endless interaction in your pool, with no sacrifice on deliverability of clean and AI function. It's really a great option, and I think you'll be really happy with it. Now, be sure to watch to the end for that graphic that will give you all the benefits in a screenshot that you can attach to your wish list when you add to cart. Now, this pool cleaner also offers a 2-year warranty, which is fabulous. If you like this video, please like it and follow us for more from great brands like this one and others like these. Look at the beautiful crystal clear water after using this great BUBLUE pool cleaner. It's just absolutely beautiful. It did a terrific job, and one of my favorite things is the easy way that it lifts out. Look at that handle, so easy and ready to grab. very easy to retrieve with this big handle because you don't have to put it in the pool. It always stays in there and always cleans. I love this pool cleaner. It's really terrific. We'll keep doing some more reviews on it, and I highly recommend it. It created a beautiful pool, which is what they're supposed to do.